Why do we keep choosing people who don't love us? It's not just a coincidence. It's a deeply programmed pattern that goes back to our past. If love in your childhood was rare or conditional, your brain learned a simple rule. To get love, you have to earn it. And now, as an adult, you unconsciously choose those who are unavailable. Because it feels familiar. Because the mind chooses predictability over happiness. When we reach for those who reject us, the addiction effect kicks in. Those rare flashes of attention feel like doses of a drug. It works on the same principle as a slot machine. You never know when you'll get a win, and that uncertainty keeps you playing. The longer you wait, the stronger the attachment becomes. You don't just want this person. You want to prove to yourself, I can do it. You want to rewrite an old script where you were rejected. But most of the time, the story repeats itself. And here's the big question. What should you do? First, understand this. You cannot make someone love you. Real feelings cannot be controlled. Any strategy like how to make him love me will lead to pain in the long run. Because if love has to be forced, it isn't love. But there are things you can do for yourself. First, honesty. Tell yourself the truth. I'm choosing someone who isn't choosing me. This is not about love. This is about addiction and fear of being rejected where real intimacy exists. Second, stop playing the savior. You don't have to prove your worth. If someone doesn't want to be with you, that's not a verdict. It's incompatibility, and your value does not depend on someone else's choice. Third, ask yourself, why this person? The answer often sounds like this. They remind me of someone. Or, I feel alive because it's always on the edge. But that's an illusion. Feeling alive shouldn't cost you your peace. Fourth, shift your energy. You can't change someone else, but you can change yourself. Work on your self-worth. Build your inner strength. The less fear you have of being alone, the less you'll cling to those who don't choose you. And finally, if you want real love, look for it where it exists. Love is not a fight, not anxiety, not checking your phone every 5 minutes. Love is safety, trust, and peace of mind. It's something that gives you strength, not takes it away. Want to know how to make someone love you? The unpleasant answer is you can't control that. You can be honest, open, caring, but someone else's feelings don't depend on you. What you can do is love yourself, and that's the only way to attract someone who will truly love you back. As long as you keep chasing those who don't want you, you're living in a cage. But the key is in your hands. The only question is, are you ready to set yourself free and choose yourself?